Welcome everybody. So this is Qcenz brand new smart socket which we're just unboxing for you. We will show you how to set it up in an Android phone and what it contains. So it comes with a nice reflect with all the details of setting your Qcenz smart socket. You can see how to set it up in Android as well as in iOS. Also on the back side you will be able to see how to set up your Alexa and Google Home so that you can give voice commands for this particular smart socket. So now that's where we'll just show you how it looks like. So just opening out the outer casing. So it's very compact and small socket for you, a smart plug, so you can put it on any Indian standard socket, and it works mostly up to 10 amps and not for very high power devices, but mostly all your daily appliances you should be able to run with this particular socket. So let's set it up and see how to make your life more easier with this smart socket. So first you have to go to the Play Store for downloading our app called Qcenz, that is Qcenz, and you should be able to get it from the App Store, and you get it installed. So once installed, you will need to see some of the intro of what Qcenz is all about, and you can go to the login page. You need to log in with your Google ID. So any Gmail ID is or Google ID is fine. So once logged in, you will get the screen with the default connected Wi-Fi network. You need to put the password and save it. Once it's done, you would be able to see an add device button, and you will come to the device manager page, and when you are at this page, you are ready for the plug to set it. So now we'll see how to set up this plug. You need to power this plug in any power source, and keep pressing the power button for almost 10 seconds, after which it will start blinking, and then it is ready for pairing with your mobile app. So let's try to set it up with the apparatus right now. So I have a small extender, so I'm just putting it on the extender. As you can see, there's a power on off can be done on that particular button, and you can control it from that particular button as such. So now I'm just pressing it for almost 10 seconds to make the socket enter into pairing mode. So once it enters in the pairing mode, you'd be able to search this particular device and add it into your Qcenz app. So now you can see that the light is blinking and it has entered the pairing mode option. Now let's go back to the mobile, and we'll show you how to add the particular device. So you will have a plus button where you can see all the device types. You can search for our smart socket plug and search for the devices in the network. It will show you the device as available, and there's a plus button on the row on the extreme right. So make sure you have to turn off the mobile data before starting the import process. So once your mobile data is off, you can click on the plus button, and it will ask for a confirmation, and it will start pushing the credentials of your Wi-Fi network to the socket. Ideally it should take almost 10 to 15 seconds, but in some cases it may go to around 20 seconds time, and after that the dialog will go away in a while, and you will be able to see the device as you can see successfully added with a green mark. There is a small settings icon, so which you click on that, you can go and change the name of the device or the socket and the location, which is currently set to hall. You can go also add notifications, enable or disable. Like this notification will, whenever this plug turns on or off, you will get a notification on your mobile. So I'm turning it off right now, and you can save the device. Once you go to the home page, now you will see a power control card. You can just click anywhere in the card to take you to the main location view. Since we have added the socket in the hall button, you can click and you will see the socket listed here. So you can now shown is at in the off state, so you can now turn it on directly from here. So as you can see, it turns on, and again, if you want to turn it off, you can click on it and it will get turned off. Similarly, once you are okay with that, you can go back to the main page. Here you will get a small shortcut for this particular smart socket. You can turn on and turn off directly from this shortcut, and you will get a feedback immediately on the app. So that will make your control much more easier. Now we can show you the control directly from the socket, which you will be able to see the feedback directly coming onto the app. So I'm turning on the socket. As you can see, it directly turns on and it shows the update, and when I'm turning it off, it will directly go off. So that's how it is. There are many other features in the app which will have separate videos explaining of the different features, but this is just to set you up with the smart socket. You can also see the other videos on the iOS app as well.